Now that I've kick-started your week by taking a look at the euro versus US dollar, the dollar versus yen, the sterling versus US dollar, the dollar versus Canada, the Aussie versus US dollar, and New Zealand versus US dollar, what's left except the dollar versus Swiss franc? So I'm going to take a look at that currency pair in this video. It's important to kickstart your week by taking a look at the technicals that are driving currency pairs. Is the bias more bullish? Is the bias more bearish? Or what are the targets? What are the risk levels? So on and so forth. That you should do every day as a trader. So getting off to a good start for the trading week is important, and we're going to continue that with take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. I'm going to look at the 4-hour chart. That's right here, and if we certain things are kind of sticking out to me on this chart. One is this trend line. This trend line connects a low to a low here, to a low here, to a low well near there, and in trading here today, the low price again found support against that trend line. That trend line also comes in near the 38.2% retracement of the move down from this high going back to the end of May to the low price that we saw in July. That 38.2 comes in at 0.8779, and the low price was near that level as well. So we got the trend line, the 38.2% retracement, and then you can even add the swing levels here. Where we had a ceiling being developed right here. You can see the number of different highs that came in right near that level. Admittedly, in last week's trading, the price traded above and below those levels, sort of ignoring it. But in trading here today, we did reestablish that level as support. So when you have all these things coming together right at this level, guess what? The buyers are leaning against that level, and we're seeing a little bit of a rebound back to the upside. The current price is trading at 0.8807 away from that 87.79 level. That's up here, and we are starting to enter into this swing area up here where we have, again, a number of different swing lows and highs starting back here where we had these lows. We came down to this level and had a minor bounce before rotating to the downside. And in trading a few weeks ago, the price, again, this is 4-hour chart, so each of these dotted lines represents a week's worth of trading. In trading 3 weeks ago, we came into that area. In trading last week, came into that area a number of different times, including at the highs at the end of last week and also the highs at the beginning of trading today. So we found sellers again in that area between the 0.8805 and 0.8827 level. So with support down here, resistance up here at the extreme at 0.8827, the border lines are set for this currency pair today and going forward. What we're going to be looking for is either the buyers are winning out, and so far I put the bias more in favor of the buyers above the 38.2, above the trend line, above this swing area. So the buyers are trying to make a play, but they do need to get above the 88.27 level. If they're able to do that, then the 50% retracement level becomes the next short-term target to get to and through at 0.88497. That also corresponds with a swing area up to 0.8866. Get above that area, and we start to target the 100-day moving average up here at the 0.88988 level and moving lower each single trading day. So that would be the progression to the upside for this. All bets are off. The price moves below the trend line, moves below all these levels through here. Then we look toward the rising 100-hour moving average at 0.8760 as the next target to get to and through. If we move below that level, then it becomes the 200-hour moving average at 0.8735. The story remains the same from a technical perspective, but we have to outline these levels, be aware of them, and then lean against them to make our trading profits. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.